Bye-bye.
Okay, go ahead. So, lady first, please. Go ahead.
Yes. Rabbi, if you want to annul vows and you don't have any males in your family, what do you do?
So you can ask, for example, you can appoint another man, right, as your representative. Always, like that's what we do. For example, one person wants to marry a girl, a lady, so he can send his friend. He can send I don't know, some wedding professional and said, please go and ask this lady to be my wife, and it's binding. So there is such a concept of shliach. We call it shliach, like representative of a person. Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
You're welcome.